Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today, what am I gonna do? I have two carrots, I have some callaloo, I have some string beans. Yeah. So what am I gonna do? I'm not gonna see what I want in the kitchen today. Veg me I deal with today. I go cook it down in a coconut juice. You understand now the guys watch what I go on. What am I gonna do? I go grate on my coconut. Then we cut up my veg and I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand how I did, yeah. So watch what I go on guys. Be a badness. I'm gonna cook some flour alongside with the vegetable. You understand how I did? Yeah, so watch what I go on in the kitchen guys. I'm gonna grate up the coconut and I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand how I did? Yeah, soon come back. I'm in trouble. They never get what they trouble. Yeah guys, so my vegetable over here so I go on yeah. So I'm going to do now, I light up the stove, put on the pot and I'm going to sew I go on. You understand what I did? Yeah. So guys, stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. I'll be your badness. Don't know things set up. Yeah guys, so light up the stove now. Don't know badness going in the kitchen. Guys, watch what I go on, soon come back. Yeah guys, so me put on the pot pan fire over there so. You understand how I did, so I make it go on hot. Yeah, so I go on in the kitchen. Be your badness. Yeah guys, so the callaloo, the carrots and the string bean, I go put in I'm gonna sew I go on. No bad season guys, no bad season. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I will cut up some ground seeds. I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand how I did? Yeah. Guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so I will put in the coconut juice. I know. Yeah guys, so coconut juice I go and cook it down. You understand how I did? Yeah. Guys, be about this in our kitchen. You understand how I did? When I go do now, I'm gonna knead up some flour and I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna knead up some flour now. I'm not gonna cook a lot of flour. You understand how I did? So guys, watch what I go on in our kitchen. Be about this guys, remember me tell you. Yeah guys, so see me flour. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna light up the stove, put on the pot, make the water go on hot. You understand what I did? Be about this. Guys, that one never go bad. Just stay tuned with the finishing look guys, yeah. Be about this. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna light up the stove to put on the flour. You understand what I did, yeah. So guys, you don't know about badness go. Yeah guys, so finish putting the flour. Don't know about badness go. And the vegetable are going to cook up. You understand how I did? I cook it down in a coconut juice. You don't know about badness go already guys. So just stay tuned with the finishing look when it in the plate. You understand how I did? So I don't put in my ground season as yet. So guys, watch what I go on in our kitchen. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look. And my callaloo, my string bean, and my carrots. Cook them up in a one guys with some white flour dumpling. Yeah. Also me use coconut juice in my vegetable. You understand me I did? Yeah guys, I don't know badness go already. So guys, see you in our next video. I'm out.